In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free shipping over $35 on your Shopify store. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can easily offer this attractive shipping option to your customers. Offering free shipping can be a great incentive for customers and can potentially increase your sales. Let's get started on getting this set up for your store. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. This is your store's administrative dashboard where you have control over all the settings and options for running your shop. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate over to your shipping settings. You'll do this by going to the Settings tab in the bottom left corner of your dashboard, and then selecting Shipping and Delivery. This is where you're going to manage the shipping rates and profiles for your store. After you've reached the Shipping and Delivery section, the next thing you'll want to do is manage your shipping rates. Think of shipping profiles as different groups or categories of products that might require specific shipping settings. You can either choose one of your existing shipping profiles or create a new one if necessary. You'll find a section there specifically for managing shipping rates, and that's where you want to be. In this section, you'll see an option to add a new shipping rate. Click on Add Rate to start creating a new rate. For our purposes, we want to select Free Shipping as the rate type. This option allows you to offer shipping without any additional cost, but it's important to set conditions to maintain your store's profitability. Now let's set the minimum order price. Specify $35 as the minimum amount customers must spend to qualify for free shipping. This means that once their cart total reaches $35, the free shipping option will automatically appear at checkout. You also have the option to set a maximum order price if you want the free shipping to only apply to orders below a certain total. This flexibility can be helpful if you have larger items that incur higher shipping costs, which you'd rather not subsidize through free shipping. Once you're satisfied with the settings, it's crucial to save your changes. Click Done and then Save to ensure that your new free shipping rule is applied successfully. Now, when customers shop on your site and their order hits that $30 threshold, they'll see free shipping as an option at checkout. And there you have it. You've successfully set up free shipping for orders over $35 on your Shopify store. Offering free shipping can be a powerful tool in encouraging larger purchases and increasing customer satisfaction. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps enhance your store's shopping experience.